Hi, my name is Dane. Welcome to Todo. This time I want to show you 4 easy tequila cocktails that are going to make sure you're going to have a hit at your next Mexican fiesta. Let me show you how. First of all, tequila no longer is the drink for students at the end of the night. Tequila is a drink that's been around in Mexico for a really long time. It was the first protected product coming out of Mexico. It received a denominación de origen in 1974. Today I'm using the oldest tequila in Mexico, Jose Cuervo, also the first official tequila, because in 1795 they were the first to receive a license by the Spanish king to distill agaves to make tequila. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to start with 4 easy cocktails. Let's get started with a Tommy's Margarita. So the tequila I'm using is Jose Cuervo Tradicional Blanco. It's been distilled from 100% blue agave. The first cocktail we're going to be making is a Tommy's Margarita. It was invented by Julio Bermejo in Tommy's, a restaurant in San Francisco. And the role of the agave syrup that is in the cocktail is to really emphasize the flavor of the cooked agave in the tequila. To make our cocktail, really simple. Ice, 2 ounces or 10 mils. 1 ounce, 5 mils of agave syrup. And then the juice of half a lime. I'm using one of these Mexican lime squeezers because what you're doing, you basically press the juice inside out, so you also get all these essential oils from the skin that have a massive impact on your flavor. It's gonna taste more limey than regular lime juice. Just squeeze that in there. On the rim of our glass, I'm gonna squeeze half and then dip that into a little bit of salt. A couple of ice cubes in there. Lid on our shaker. Shake. When this whole shaker has cooled down, you'll feel it. That's when you can just strain it, as it is called, into your glass over ice. If you want to, you can make this look really pretty by adding a little bit of lime on the edge of your glass. And that is the Tommy's Margarita. The classic margarita is a cocktail that's been around since the 40s. It's not really clear right now who was the first one to invent it. What we need is lime, Jose Cuervo, and a orange liqueur. So we're gonna add our ice to our shaker first. The recipe actually really simple. It's a 2-1-1 ratio. So that means 2 ounces of tequila Jose Cuervo, then 1 ounce of our triple sec, 1/2 with our lime squeezer. This is always the best because fresh is better when it comes to lime juice. We use our lime, half of the glass with some salt. The salt basically serves as a flavor enhancer in our cocktail. I'm gonna add a little bit of ice to our glass, top on the shaker. Make sure you shake nice and firm, because that way everything's gonna integrate beautifully. And then we strain again into our glass. A classic cocktail. It's been around since forever and it's gonna last a long time just because it's so good. When it comes to tequila, there's rules to this game. Not anyone can make tequila. Tequila can only be made in 5 Mexican states. Anything that's made outside of those states cannot be labeled tequila. I found a illegal tequila that was made here in Belgium, and together with the CRT we got that off the market pretty quickly. Now I want to show you how to make the Batanga. The Batanga is a cocktail that was invented by Don Javier, who passed away unfortunately this year. He was the owner of a bar called La Capilla in Tequila, Mexico. The bar also received a nomination in the top 50 best bars of the world, even though it is a typical Mexican cantina. What we need is a long glass. I'm gonna add some ice to it. Then we cut a lime, use half a lime. There's a little pinch of salt. Next up, in honor of Don Javier, we're going to do it his way. A good amount of tequila. And then we finish it off with some Coca-Cola. Just like Don Javier, we stir it with our knife. That's what makes the Batanga a Batanga. Salud. So the last one I'm going to show you is the Paloma. It might be Mexico's most favorite cocktail. What do we need? A glass full of ice. It's really simple to make. 1 ounce of tequila. 1 ounce of lime juice. Remember that 1 lime is about 2 ounces of juice. And then we're going to top it up with a grapefruit soda. Finish it off with a sprinkling of salt. And I'm going to use my knife again to stir this. Don't stir it too hard because you want to make sure that there's still some fizz in there. But that's a Paloma and that's super tasty. Salud. I hope this has given you some ideas to really discover the wonderful world of tequila. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share it with friends and family, subscribe to this channel, and for more recipes, visit us at todo.be. Salud. Adios.